Stop stressing about losing your passport abroad. Do this instead. Step 1. Stay calm. Losing your passport can be a nerve-wracking experience, but panicking won't help. Take a deep breath and remember that this situation is manageable. Many travelers have faced this issue before and have successfully navigated through it. The key is to stay composed and follow the necessary steps to resolve the problem efficiently. It's serious, but totally fixable. The first thing to understand is that while losing your passport is a significant inconvenience, it is not the end of the world. There are established procedures in place to help you get back on track. The important thing is to act promptly and follow the guidelines provided by authorities. Many travelers face this issue, and there's a clear process to follow. You're not alone in this predicament. Every year, thousands of travelers lose their passports while abroad. Fortunately, embassies and consulates are well equipped to handle such situations. They have clear protocols to assist you in getting a replacement passport or an emergency travel document. Step 2. Report the loss immediately. The moment you realize your passport is missing, it's crucial to report the loss. This not only helps in preventing identity theft, but also sets the official process in motion for getting a replacement. Head to the nearest police station and file a report. Reporting the loss to the local police is a mandatory step in many countries. The police report serves as an official record of the loss and is often required when you apply for a replacement passport at your embassy or consulate. Make sure to get a copy. This is essential. The police report is a critical document that you will need to present to your embassy or consulate. Ensure that you get a copy of the report and keep it safe. This document will be part of the paperwork required for your passport replacement application. Step 3. Contact your country's embassy or consulate. Once you have the police report, the next step is to get in touch with your country's embassy or consulate. They are your primary point of contact for all matters related to passport replacement. Find their details online or through a quick Google search. Most embassies and consulates have websites with detailed information on how to proceed if you've lost your passport. You can also find their contact details through a quick online search. Make sure to note down their phone number and address. Use keywords like Indian Embassy in country name. When searching online, use specific keywords such as Indian Embassy in country name to quickly find the relevant information. This will help you locate the nearest embassy or consulate and get the contact details you need. Step 4. Gather required documents. Before you visit the embassy or consulate, make sure you have all the necessary documents ready. This will streamline the process and help you get your replacement passport or emergency travel document more quickly. You'll need a police report copy, passport size photos, Idaho proof, travel itinerary, and a filled-out application form. These documents are essential for your application. The police report confirms the loss of your passport, while the passport size photos and ID proof help verify your identity. Your travel itinerary provides context for your travel plans, and the application form is the official request for a replacement passport. Step 5. Apply for an emergency certificate or new passport. Depending on your situation, you may need an emergency certificate for one-time travel back to your home country or a reissued passport if you plan to stay abroad for a longer period. The embassy can provide an emergency certificate for one-time travel or a reissued passport if you're staying longer. The emergency certificate is a temporary document that allows you to travel back to your home country. If you need to stay abroad for an extended period, the embassy can issue a new passport, although this process may take longer. Bonus tips. Keep digital and physical copies of your passport and visa. To avoid the stress of losing your passport in the future, it's a good idea to keep both digital and physical copies of your important travel documents. This can save you a lot of hassle if you ever find yourself in this situation again. Email yourself scanned copies of important documents. Carry a backup ID. Having digital copies of your passport, visa, and other important documents can be a lifesaver. Email these copies to yourself so you can access them from anywhere. Additionally, carrying a backup ID, such as a driver's license or another form of identification, can be very helpful. If you ever lose your passport abroad, now you know what steps to take. By following these steps, you can navigate the process of replacing your lost passport with confidence. Remember, staying calm and acting promptly are key to resolving the situation efficiently. Stay alert and travel smart. Always be mindful of your belongings and take precautions to keep your important documents safe. With a little preparation and knowledge, you can handle any travel hiccup that comes your way. Safe travels.